Let's solve for m and n here. We are given m plus n equals minus 11 and m times n equals negative 4. Solution. Okay, so we can label the first one as equation 1. M plus n equals to minus 11. Call this one the first equation. And mn equals minus 4. Second equation. Let's observe the first equation. We can make one of them the subject. So let's make m the subject from equation 1. From 1, m is the same as minus 11 minus n. So that will be the third equation. Now let's put this third equation in the second equation here, which says mn equals negative 4. So we have mn equals minus 4, but m is this, mn equals minus 4. So let's expand this. That will be minus 11n minus n squared. Let me do it well. Equals minus 4. Let's arrange it. It's a quadratic. Let's send everything in. That will be n squared plus 11 minus 4 equals 0. So this one is a quadratic equation. Let's solve by the method of computing of squares. So let's compute the square of this. So we have n squared plus 11n equals 4. Let's take half of coefficient of n. That will be half of 11 or squared. That will be 11 on 2 or squared. So that will be n squared plus 11n plus 11 on 2 or squared equals 11 on 2 or squared plus 4. So we have this. The next step will be n then plus 11 on 2 or squared. N plus 11 on 2 or squared equals to, so we have 11 squared, okay, which is 121 on 4 plus 4 on the right hand side. 121 on 4 plus 4. So we have n plus 11 on 2. Let's make this side over 1. LCM is 4. 4 here, 1, 121 plus 4 here, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. N plus 11 on 2. So let's add. Plus 16 will be 137 on 4. Okay. So we can proceed by taking square root on both sides. So we have n plus 11 on 2 equals to plus or minus. Now we can say square root of 137 on square root of 4. Following this rule, same as square root of a over square root of b. Okay. So we have n plus 11 on 2 equals to plus or minus 137 on 2. Perfect. So my n here is minus 11 on 2 plus or minus 137 on 2, which is same as minus 11 plus or minus 137 on 2. So this is n. Remember, we are after m and n. So let's go back and do substitution. Remember, this is m, of m, minus 11 minus, so m is minus 11 minus n. So let's plug in this. So we have m as minus 11 minus n. N is minus 11 plus or minus on 2. So we have two solutions here. And let's see if we can, if we can simplify. Okay. So let's make this side of 1. Now the LCM here will be 2. So 1 here, 2, minus 22. 2 here, 1, minus 11, plus or minus 137. So my m here will be minus 22 plus 11. So this one affect the top one minus, and affect the down, so it will 10. 137 on 2. So we have m as minus 11 because we have this minus or plus 137 on 2. So we have m as this, and n is also here. So let's compare the two. Minus 11 plus or minus is the only difference. Minus or plus, it means when n is minus 11 minus square root of 137 on 2, m will be minus 11 plus square root of 137 on 2, and vice versa. All right.